Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Since I'm not really going anywhere today or doing anything super interesting, I thought I would bring you guys along a work day with me, kind of. So kind of just explaining what I do in my job, since I really haven't shown any of my work in the vlog. Now it is 9:30 and the first thing I have to do this morning, well, actually even before that, the first thing I do every morning is actually in my Notion, I have a work tracker. So for every single day, I make like a little gallery page and then I put in the date. So that is December 7th for today. And I have a template for every single day. So at the top of my template, I just write out the meetings. So today I have a 10 a.m. kind of all hands meeting. And then I have a one-on-one with my manager, And I kind of write out my to-do list in order of priority. So I'm gonna write that out. And then underneath my to-do section, I have like a got done section. So when I finish the to-dos, I like drag them down to the got done section. Yeah, now that that is done, first thing I have to do this morning is make a design update for the other teams. This week we have like someone make a video from that department. So for example, I make the design department video. I'm gonna make the design update video right now. Now that that is done, I'm gonna go make myself some breakfast before my 10 a.m. meeting. So it's currently 9:32, so I have half an hour to make and eat breakfast. And also I'm just gonna like catch up on some stuff while I'm eating. It is 12:47 p.m. I ate my lunch, I finished my morning meeting, and my next meeting is at 4 p.m. So I have a solid 3 hours to work and get a bunch of stuff done. By doing work, it's kind of a combination of things. So my official role is product designer. That means I do UX and I do a bunch of wireframing, but I also do some UI and graphic design work. Not too much graphic design because we have an actual designer, but just kind of like putting things together. I also do a little bit of animation, so it's a nice mix of things and I really enjoy that I'm not just doing one thing always. Today's tasks are more designish, which is kind of fun, so I'm gonna work on some of those and then have my one-on-one and my work will be done for the day. That's a whole work day. Sorry that's not more interesting, but I am going to work on Friday and I will definitely be bringing you guys along then. So you guys will finally get to see what going into work is like. It's like 6:20ish, 6:25. I finished work for the day. I had my one-on-one with my manager and now I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna make myself some Maggie. Last time I had it, and I think the time before that too, I just felt really grossed out after eating it. But it's really cold today and it just feels like Maggie weather. Alright, I am the chosen one who has to go pick up dinner for the family and brave the cold. So I put on a really warm outfit. I basically just switched into leggings and wore my like black coat on top, and I'm gonna go pick up dinner. We're getting Subway, which I'm really excited for because I've been craving Subway really badly. So I'm gonna go pick that up.